Most people think that you need a very fat budget before you can start running meta ads professionally. But that is not true. With as low as 1,000 naira budget daily, you can start getting clicks, you can start getting traffic, you can start getting leads, and even sales. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make every naira count when you have a very low budget. Yes, what you'll be able to achieve with a low budget as low as 1,000 naira, and how to make that 1,000 naira become result so you don't waste it. This video is episode 1.3 of our Meta Ads Masterclass 2026. If you have not seen the other episode of this video, you have missed so much. Check the description below. You're going to see the link to the playlist that takes you or shows you all the episodes that we have covered and episode that we are still going to cover. You have so much if you have not been following from episode 1. Do well to go back, click on the link in the description below so you can get that link to the playlist, see episode 1.1, 1.2, and here we have episode 1.3. So let's get straight up to the reasons why we're making this lesson. What can you achieve with a budget as low as 1,000 naira to 3,000 naira daily on Meta Ads? With a budget of 1,000 naira to 3,000 naira daily, you can realistically get website traffic. Yes, you can send people to your website or to your landing page for them to take actions you want them to take. You can realistically generate leads. Yes, get people to give you their information, their contact information. For example, you offer a service. Let's say you are a plumber. You can get people who are interested or who are looking for plumbers to send you their information, their name, phone number, and address so you can call them and converse with them. Yes, you can also get people to send you direct messages on WhatsApp, converse with you so that you get access or you give them access or give them more information about your service. So you can actually generate leads with that low budget. How about engagement? You can surely get engagement with that low budget if it is correctly done. How about sales? Yes, a small business owner can actually get sales or make sales with that low budget of 1,000 to 3,000 naira. Now, take note that all of these things are possible with a low budget when it is done correctly. If you do it in a way that you are conditioning Facebook to show your ads to only persons who need them, you are sure to get results, even though you are using a very low budget. Now, do not confuse this with getting massive results. Now, this result will not be something that will make you a billionaire. They won't come in so massive, but they are sure a stepping stone that would help you scale up, give you those seed audience, those basic informations that would help you reinvest and ensure you get mind-blowing results. Now, we have some persons that says that, oh, I have a large budget, I have a fat budget. Let me just put this money into this thing. I don't want to start small. Are there advantages of you starting Meta Ads with a small budget? Well, I'll give you a few advantages. So even if you have a large budget, you want to start with putting in what? Funds gradually, and then you scale up. What is one advantage? When you have a small budget, it will force you to target only the right audience. Advantage number 1. If you know that your budget is 1,000 to 3,000, you put in so much work and effort in ensuring that it is only the people who need to see that advert that will see it. You will not waste your money. That's advantage number 1. Advantage number 2 is that you will be forced to use the right creative for the ad. If you have a small budget, you will be forced to ensure that the flyer you are using, the video you are using is top notch. You would not want to give room for chances. That is advantage number 2. And advantage number 3, you would ensure that you are using the right campaign objective. This also means that you would ensure you are using the right strategy for your adverts. So I always advise people who want to run ads, even if you have a fat budget, streamline yourself into using a low budget at the beginning, so that when you finally increase your budget, you must have seen what is working well for you. Then you invest your large budget into that is working very well for you. This is one secret that so many advertisers use today to actually scale up businesses to multi-billion-dollar businesses using meta ads. Now, I have received so many questions from students saying, okay, when I start small, at what point should I now increase my budget? At what point should I now increase the budget? Put in more money, as it were. I would give you a guide. You should increase your budget when you see that your ads are becoming profitable. Yes, let's say you're running lead generation ads and then you put in 1,000, 3,000 and you are getting leads, quality leads who are contacting you. That's a sign that you need to increase your budget. You can also increase your budget when you are getting the exact result that you expect. No one will tell you, because you know that if you increase your budget, you will get more positive results. And also, if you have tested all your creatives, you've tested your image ads, your video ads, and you've seen the one that gives you result most, then you can invest your budget in that one that's giving you result most. So it's not advisable that at the beginning you put so much money into the ads. Start small and then you grow big. Now let's converse, let's communicate, let's talk heart to heart. If you have a budget of 1,000 naira, go to the comment section below and tell me, which of these ads are you going to start with first? Would you start with engagement ads? Would you start with traffic ads, lead ads, or sales ad? Tell me in the comment section below. I will reply your comment and guide you on the one that you should start with immediately. I'm waiting for your comment too. And you that wants to comment, if you have not liked this video, I reserve my comment. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, and ensure that you will share this video to so many other persons who really wants to learn how to run ads professionally would get insights that they need from this video. No doubt you now understand the reasons why I recommend you to start with a small budget, see result, and upscale. In the next video, which is episode 1.4 of These Are Meta Ads Masterclass 2026, I'll be showing you the full breakdown of this masterclass, so you know exactly what to expect in the next episode and also know exactly how to follow up the class in a way that you would get results. Again, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and ensure you turn on post notifications so you get notified when episode 1.4 will drop. And as I always say, if you are fortunate enough, you will see episode 1.4 already showing right here. Yes, right there on your screen. Do well to click on that video and watch that video. If you've not seen it until now, turn on post notifications so you will see when episode 1.4 will drop. No doubt, you have so much to learn. And if you've not done so, ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. I cannot wait to see you in episode 1.4, where I'll be showing you exactly all the things we'll be learning right here in this Meta Ads Masterclass 2026. I'll see you in episode 1.4.